Okay, so it's been raining a lot. This is normally our lawn, and as you can see, my feet are underwater. There's some turtles down here. I thought I saw turtles anyway. Yep, there's turtles. I just startled them. We have turtles. Turtle. We had catfish in the street last night. This makes me nervous to step in too far, actually, because I'm not certain where exactly the edge is now. I can see, but I don't want to step into it by accident. Let's see what we got down here. If we got anything interesting. A lot of algae that's up on the grass at the moment. Had a clump of it. There's some more here. And this is from last night, I'm assuming. Oop. I can hear the drain over there. And this area, evidently, is usually not underwater because this is all grass. Oh, it looks kind of cool, but looks like I'm almost up to my knees. Yeah, that's normally the edge right in there. So, interesting.